How to change profile picture in Google Messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then in the conversation list, tap on the profile icon at the top corner. Next, tap on the picture icon up here, or you can tap on your profile. And then you can tap on the picture, tap on the camera icon, and then choose whether you want to use the camera to take a picture or select a picture from the gallery. Okay, so we select a picture from the gallery, and from here select a picture that you want to use, then tap on done. Now it's uploading photos. It is in the process of replacing the existing photo. Here you can zoom in or zoom out to crop on the pictures. And then we tap on the next button. Then tap on save as profile picture. And then tap on the back key, and that's it. Now we have successfully changed the profile picture in Google Messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Thank you for watching this video.